Welcome back, Office Executives. In this particular Excel video, we'll be discussing on the topic of sum product function in Excel. Now that's an alternative to sum if function. So first of all, in this particular cell, which is F7, as it is being shown in the address bar, here we will be discussing on how sum if function works. It's simple. Equal to sum if tab. So the range is within this particular range, comma, what is the criteria? The criteria is x. So within this range, if it finds, so we need another column where we need a total column, that is sales multiplied by quantity. So that is missing from my Excel sheet. Anyways, so let me press escape and let's add one more column. Right click, insert, and that column would be named as total. So what we will be doing is that we will be finding out the product of sales multiplied by quantity equal to sales star quantity, and then double click in the corner of here. Okay, fine. So sum if function works equal to sum if. It is asking for the range. So within this range of sales, what is the criteria? If it finds eggs, then it would sum up this total. So let me press enter. It's 1518. Now the topic of this video, which I was speaking from the start, that this topic will be over sum product. I want to stress over the syntax of the sum product. So there are two syntaxes which I will be showing for the sum product. Whichever you find convenient, use that one. Equal to sum product. So it is asking for the, will be again opening up a bracket. So this is the range. Within this range, if it finds equal to x bracket close, then it would do sum product on sales multiplied by comma quantity. Let's hit enter. Let's close the brace and hit enter. It's 1518. Fine. So the second syntax is sum product. So this is the range of sales. Within this range of sales, it would just multiply with this quantity only if there is a criteria. What is the criteria? The criteria can be given using two hyphens, bracket open, within this range of sales if the criteria matches with this one, that is x. Let me close the braces. I think I need to close one more brace. Okay, now hit enter. Fine. So let me go to the formulas tab and then click on this particular button, show formulas, and let me show you what the two formulas for the sum products syntax. So these are the two syntaxes. Sum product A2 to A16. Within this A2 to A16, this is the first syntax which I am discussing upon. Within A2 to A16, if within this range of cell, if it matches the criteria F7, which is x, then it would do the sum product, that is star. We can do it with star, then the two ranges, that is the quantity multiplied with the sales, that is the total, that will be the sum product. So the total sales, or we can do the sum product by using, this is the total sales and this is the quantity, and the criteria can be given using two hyphen A2 to A16 using equal to F7. So you can use the sum product function using any of these two syntaxes. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and also let me know out of these two syntax, out of these two syntaxes, which one do you find more convenient. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.